students, after the completion of type first, second and third, now we have to start the fourth type of the composite function examples. In the exercise 1.1, we have already discussed the example first, second and third. Now in this video, we have to discuss the next few examples of exercise 1.1. Okay. Now taking the next type of this composite function, that is the type fourth. In that type, in the exercise 1.1, example 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all these examples have to be solved by this method. Now we are taking here the first example of type 4. There is a table of values of f, g, f dash and g dash is given as. Here we have to given a table, and from that table we have to solve some examples. In the table we have to given the values of x are 2, 4, 6, and also we have to given that is f of x, g of x, f dash of x and g dash of x values. The values of f of x when x equal to 2, then f of 2 equal to 1, then f of 4 equal to given 3, and f of 6 is given to be 5. Similarly, g of x having the values are given, that is g of 2 having the value 6, g of 4 having the value 4 and g of 6 having the value 2. Similarly, f dash of 2, that is derivative of f of x, that is f dash of x. Therefore, f dash of x, where x equal to 2, then f dash of 2 equal to minus 3, f dash of 4 is 5 and f dash of 6 is given as minus 4. Similarly, g dash of 2 is given 4, g dash of 4 is given to be minus 6 and g dash of 6 is given to be 7. These are the values have to be given in this table. Now we have to solve the example. First example is, if r of x equal to f of g of x, then find r dash of 2. Second is given, if r of x equal to g of into bracket 3 plus f of x, then find r dash of 4. Third one, if s of x equal to f of 9 minus f of x, then find s dash of 4. And last one, fourth one, if s of x equal to g of x, then find the s dash of 6. Here we have to given 4 example. Out of these 4 example, we have to solve first 2. Remaining 3 are solved to be by you. Okay. Now take the first example, that is, if r of x equal to f of g of x, then find r dash of 2. Here we have to given, the given function is r of x equal to f of g of x. That means the given function in the form of composite function. Then take firstly derivative of the given function. Take the derivative of left hand side, that is derivative of r of x is r dash of x equal to derivative of f of g of x to be taken. This given function is composite, and therefore firstly take the derivative of f, that is f dash of g of x, into, again by rule of composite function, that is d by dx of inner function, that is g of x, and therefore r dash of x equal to, now take that is f dash of g of x into derivative of g of x has to be taken g dash of x. Okay, therefore now put the values of x, we have to find the value of r dash of 2, and therefore put the value of, instead of x we have put 2. Therefore r dash of 2 equal to f dash of into bracket g of 2 into g dash of 2, only putting the value of x equal to 2. Now in the given table we have to given, that is, here we have to require the value of g of 2 and g dash of 2. From the table, firstly find the value of g of 2. G of 2, that means take the third column and second row, then the value is 6, and therefore g of 2 equal to 6. Similarly, g dash of 2, take the fifth column and second row, the value is 4, therefore g dash of 2 equal to 4. These values put in the given equation, therefore r dash of 2 equal to f dash of value of g of 2 equal to 6, that is f dash of 6 into value of g dash of 2 equal to 4, that is f dash of 6 into 4. Therefore r dash of 2 equal to value of again f dash of 6, that is take the fourth column and fourth row, that is value is -4, therefore -4 into 4, therefore r dash of 2 equal to -16. That means if the given function is r of x equal to f of g of x, then the derivative of r of x at the particular point x equal to 2 having the derivative is given to be -16. Okay. Now taking the second example of type 4, that is example first second. If r of x equal to g of 3 plus f of x, then find r dash of 4. Okay, here we have to given, that is r of x is given to be g of 3 plus f of x is to be given. Okay, now taking firstly derivative on both the sides of the given function, that is derivative of r of x, that is r dash of x equal to the derivative of g of again f of the composite function, therefore the derivative of g is g dash of 3 plus f of x into derivative of again the inner function, that is 3 plus f of x, and therefore r dash of x equal to, that is g dash of into bracket 3 plus f of x into again derivative of 3 plus f of x, the derivative of 3 is 0 plus derivative of f of x, that is f dash of x. Okay, that means r dash of x equal to g dash of 3 plus f of x into f dash of x. Now we have to find the derivative of r with respect to x at the value of 4, x equal to 4, and therefore r dash of 4 become, putting the value of x equal to 4, therefore r dash of 4 equal to g dash of 3 plus f of 4 into f dash of 4. Okay, now here in the table the values of given f of 4 equal to, take the second column and third row, the value is 3, and therefore f of 4 equal to 3, and f dash of 4, taking the fourth column and third row, the value is 5, and therefore f dash of 4 equal to 5. Putting these values in the given equation, therefore equation become, that is r dash of 4 equal to g dash of into bracket 3 plus value of f of 4 is 3 bracket complete into value of f dash of 4 equal to 5. Therefore r dash of 4 equal to g dash of 3 plus 3, that is equal to 6 into 5. Again therefore r dash of 4 equal to g dash of 6, again taking the fifth column and fourth row, that is the value is 7, and therefore g dash of 6 equal to 7 into 5, therefore r dash of 4 equal to 7 into 5, that is 35. By this method we can find, that is the value of the derivative of the given function at a particular point x equal to 4, when the given function r of x is given as g of 3 plus f of x. In the similarly manner we can find the derivative of the s of x in example third and fourth also. Okay, now taking another example of the type fourth, that is if h of x equal to root of 4 f of x plus 3 into g of x, where f of 1 equal to 4, g of 1 equal to 3, f dash of 1 equal to 3, and g dash of 1 equal to 4, then find, that is h dash of 1. Okay, here we have given, instead of table, here we have to given only the values. Directly here we have to given the values of f of 1, g of 1, f dash of 1 and g dash of 1. That have to be required for to find out the values of h dash of 1. Here firstly we have taken the given function is h of x equal to root of 4 into f of x plus 3 into g of x. Therefore taking the derivative of both the sides, that is derivative of h of x, that is h dash of x equal to again derivative of root of f of x, that is 1 upon 2 root of f of x, that is 1 upon 2 root of 4 f of x plus 3 into g of x, into again by the rule of composite function d by dx of f of x, that is 4 f of x plus 3 g of x. Therefore h dash of x equal to first term as it is 1 upon 2 root of 4 f of x plus 3 g of x into taking the derivative of the second term, that is 4 into derivative of f of x, that is f dash of x plus 3 into derivative of g of x, that is g dash of x. Now again we have to find the values of h dash of 1. Therefore h dash of 1 become, that is putting the value of x equal to 1. Therefore h dash of 1 equal to 1 upon 2 root of 4 into f of 1, that is value of x equal to 1 plus 3 into g of 1 into again 4 into f dash of value of x equal to 1, that is 4 into f dash of 1 plus 3 into g dash of 1. Now here given the values are f of 1 equal to 4, g of 1 equal to 3, f dash of 1 equal to 3 and g dash of equal to 4. Put all these value in the given equation, then equation become, therefore h dash of 1 equal to 1 upon 2 root of 4 into f of 1 having the value is 4, that is 4 into bracket 4 plus 3 into g of 1 having the value is 3 into again into bracket 4 into f dash of 1 having the value is 3 plus 3 into g dash of 1 having the value is 4. Therefore that term become 4 into bracket 3 plus 3 into bracket 4. Therefore by solving this, for h dash of 1 equal to 1 upon 2, that is root of 4 into bracket 4, that is 16 plus 3 into 3, that is 9, that is 16 plus 9, that is 25 into 4 into 3, that is 12 in plus 3 into 4, that is 12 plus 12, that is 24, and therefore h dash of 1 equal to 12 upon 5. That is the derivative of the given function at a particular point x equal to 1, when the given function h of x equal to root of 4 f of x plus 3 into g of x. In this type 4 we have to evaluate the values of the given derivatives of the given function at a particularly point. Okay, these are the some important examples of composite function type 3 and type 4. That means we have all evaluated all these type 1st, 2nd, 3rd and 4th of the composite function. By these two videos of the composite function example, you can evaluate all these examples of exercise 1.1. Okay, thank you again. Thanks for watching all these videos. Please like, share, subscribe our channel and click the buttons below the like button. Share these videos to your all the friends. Thank you.